welcome back to the channel. So in this video you can see I'm going to be working on putting the new exhaust on. It's a M2 Motorsport back box, and I'm not sure the brand of the rest of the system, but I think it's maybe similar. And here it is. It's not new, second hand. And we got a decat, and then it's I think it's 2.5 inch, and then it still has a resonator, otherwise it would be too loud. And hopefully this isn't too much for the D14, but it should hopefully it sounds decent. If not, we can always just put the back box on with a standard system, and it may sound good. What I'm going to do before I start taking things off and putting them on, I'm going to be cleaning these up because they are second hand and they are a bit used. So what I'm going to be doing is just sanding it down and cleaning up. You can see the difference from where I'll just scrub with some sanding paper, and it shines it all up. So I'm going to go ahead and bring these in the garage and then clean them up, and then we can get to taking the old system off and putting the new one on. So I'm going to use some 1500 grip first, see how well that takes it off. If not, I might go down lower, but this should be perfectly fine. So you can see the difference. This one's complete after it's been polished, and you can see the difference it will make. So I'm just going to go ahead and, so all I did on this one was 800 grit to 1500, then 2000, and then I put on some aluminium polish or metal polish, and then just polished it with a drill, and it came out like that. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same for this long pipe, and then I'll be able to take off the old exhaust and put on the new one. pieces cleaned up. Came out pretty nicely. The back box came out really nice and nice shine to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it all. So since that's all done now, I'm just gonna bring the car around, put it on the ramp, and then start taking the old exhaust system off, and then start placing on the new system. So before I take off the old exhaust, I'll just show you what the standard exhaust sound like, and then we can get a comparison of the new exhaust and the standard one. So now everything's all jacked up. I'm going to start taking the standard manifold, and I'm going to take the O2 sensor out so I can put it in the new manifold. I'm just going to start at the back. I'm probably going to take the rear bumper off because just easier access, and also have to make up some brackets so to hold this bumper together because it keeps flapping about. Same for this side. Gonna make some little mounting brackets so this can just stay in that, because it always vibrates and makes a loud noise. Exhaust system is off, and here's a little comparison between the standard and then the aftermarket one. You can see much better flow in the 421 manifold, and we got it. Then we have a decat. Still have the resonator, and it just goes into the aftermarket exhaust. So, and you can see there's the width, or the thickness, the diameter, that's very small, and this one's much bigger. So this is like 2.5, I believe, or 2.25, and then that's like, I don't even know what that one is. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just take all the parts off and take off the gaskets and put the gasket onto these, and I have some new gaskets as well to fit. So I'm just going to go ahead and split this and take all the gaskets.